What's the meaning of curlew? Curlew. Curlew.
Curlew. Curlew. A curlew is a long-billed bird that is found worldwide. The bird is typically brown or gray in color and has a distinctive curve to its bill. The curlew can be found in a range of habitats, from coastal areas to grasslands and wetlands. In some cultures, the curlew is associated with mystery and the supernatural. The bird's distinctive call is sometimes used in literature and music to evoke a sense of longing or melancholy. Overall, the curlew is an important and fascinating species of bird with many interesting traits and associations.